Welcome back, wheelers, to another fishing video. I'm here at Trinity River. I'm gonna go river fishing with me and my buddy, the goat. And you gotta find him. There, I found him. So yeah, come with us as we go some river fishing. Worm be good, honestly. Plopper, ooh, actually, that's a good idea to, yeah. Oh shit. Right below you. I was looking over there because I saw a head sticking out over there. Son of a man. I hate snakes. I fucking do. They have like the hiking and survival base. Oh, yeah, that's what this one has. I forgot how short that was compared to, look at this. It's back lessons. Yeah, I'm making YouTube content, so I might have had to come out later. So you got that? Wasn't that bad. It's right there down the middle. It's actually shorter right here than it is on the other side. Yeah. Oh, this is just hilarious, fun, and getting it. Got myself a little buzz bait on top of here. Let's see what this does. I don't want to go over there because I know there's snakes over there. Oh man, a buzz bait came off. Look at that. Let's go with this. It's pretty clear. You think like our green bait will be working. Our green. It's pretty clear. You think it'll be working. The green or the clear. Yeah. It's Trinity River. It's pretty clear for what it is. Yeah. Yeah. River fishing's always been like a difficult task for me to do, or me to catch like a fish from the river. Lake, pond, easy. River, totally different beast for me. Oh no. Hopefully I split those tree branches. Alright, I'll switch out to my shiner. Hmm? Yeah. So that means there's shad. So that's good. Oh. Oh. Really?
And like, you got stuck.
Huh. Shit.
Maybe because I fought it too hard.
Maybe. Oh my god, I almost lost my footing right there in that cast. My left foot went like that way a little bit.
Really?
Yeah. It is a little bit slippery. This mud, it's kind of soot. You want to get out of this area? This.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to go there.
Yeah. I'm down to. We can do that. I don't want to stay underneath here because this causes too much bad luck. This got backlash. You keep on getting stuck.
That's not normally my behavior.
Exactly. You want to go over there to that bridge where the rocks are at, or go more over there? Because I feel like they're going to be over there, cooler water because of running water.
Yeah, but I don't want to get in that guy's.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. I want to like start the conversation.
Let's go over there because it's like a little channel gap right there where those bridges at, and then we assess from there.
Yeah. I'll let you. I'm gonna go ahead and bring up the line.
Yeah, I'll go on across the bridge and go on the other side then. I'm down for that. Try to get this going. Over here, gotta navigate through the deadly rocks of Trinity River. I'm calling it deadly rocks of Trinity River. All right, made it solid ground. Oh, it's a nice, beautiful area where we're at. Just no pond. As you can tell in beginning clips, the baitcaster, that's the goat right there. That's the goat. Call him the goat. Nothing more, nothing less. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. Doot, 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 doot. Okay, there we go. Boom. Now, where were we? Oh, yeah. I just tossed out this. I was going to change this out for something else, but toss this out. Much better. You can get more line out. Toss a little bit further. Besides this too, rock clearings right here. So you'd think there'll be more fishies over here. Alright, let's switch this out for the buzz bait. Back to the buzz bait. But yeah, as far as I was speaking to the goat, as far as kind of blue, kind of clear for what it is. Oh, you stick. Let's try to step over here. Step out of the way. It always feels good when you can get a buzz bite. I was fishing at a pond yesterday, and nothing was biting. But as soon as I put a buzz bait out there next to a little drainage ditch, little drainage insert, I got lit up like 3 times and then nothing. It fell flat. I was just like, what's... And I tried to do a simple shine or two. Nothing hit. It wouldn't do anything except for a buzz bait. And I tried to do worm and mondo worm, and then tried it with the trench hog as well. Nothing. Again, these later summer months in Texas, you don't know what the fish are going to do. Either A, they're going to stay up in cooler weather, shallow, and then, or B, stay up shallow a little bit early in the morning. What? Yeah. That's where I'm at, right here, so I can let it fully come out. Nothing doing on the crankbait. Maybe just hit that log right there. Got one. Oh! It was heavy, dude. He just went after, like, as soon as my thing came right about the water, he got it and just like went straight down with it. Go back to the shiner, see what it does. Yep. And this pole is very sensitive too, because you can tell if it's a grass or you're going through grass or hit rock. All right, I'm gonna switch this out first. Switch up my other one for a swim bait, because I think they're going to go after swim bait here in a little bit. Actually, here, I'm going to pause. I want to change this out for my baitcaster right there and just switch that out. I'll be back. Baitcaster. I go right a little bit. Change up the spool line a little bit. Okay. I'll go left a little bit. All right. Get closer to the water's edge. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit the like button and share the video. Me and the goat here have a little competition. Whoever catches the first fish buys us a beer, buys each other a beer. So that's what we're doing right now, seeing who we're waiting at, who's going to catch the first fish. And plus you get gloat too at the first fish as well. That's the new baitcaster right here. Got $20 off of Amazon. I ain't complaining. It's better than that favorite one that I gave you. I can't get a good footing on these rocks. No, I haven't cast over there. I've been casting over here. Yeah. Probably used to be a train track right about here. Because that's what usually rocks are here for, is for train tracks or cars. I think it used to be train tracks. I'm gonna take off this front bait, y'all. Tried something new, didn't like it. Let's see what a crankbait can do. Jaybreak. Oh, they're over here, but they're like, I think they're bluegill. Yeah. Yep. I don't know, the best feeling in the world, I feel like the best fishing feeling in the world is crankbait. Let's see here. As I say that, I backlash, bird's nest, my whole entire freaking new wheel. So don't pay attention to me. But yeah. Ooh. Hold on, there's a little bite. Overall, this... Oh, look at that flexibility in that. Build quality. Second time using it, a third time actually using this rod. Dang. Using this rod, it's okay. I mean, that's a little flexibility right there, but that's normal. Could be normal for like a $20 rod reel. But yeah, overall, my assessment of it's pretty good so far. I like it. I surely do like it, honestly. And I surely do like y'all watching as well. That really appreciates me and building up my inspired to do this more often. As I make that cast right there. That's not so good. We'll see. As you can tell, I'm probably out of shape here. But walking's good for your health, right? So we can see. See, look how nice this looks. Let's get back on the road. Let's go at it with the good old crankbait here. Let's see what we can get. Like people can like tube in here because it looks like little slides and everything. Looks like they try to make it tubing, but who will tube down a freaking Trinity River? Honestly, if you live in Texas, you know about the Trinity River, then you know. It's over there. Now, this is a giant, it seems like it flows more to the right than it does the left, which is interesting. Because you think of flow both the exact same point, but it looks like the architect had this more of a sloping angle this way, so that way the forces of water goes down this way. Toss right in that river right there. Let's see. Uh-oh. I think I saw something. I put it back on my spinnerbait or my popper just to see. But this way we have a giant dam right here, And then we have that side of the dam over there. So it looks like it's a pretty good fishing point right here. We just need to get them, see what they want to eat though. That's a real question. Honestly, y'all, this Daiwa rod with this Sea Night Stradadar Sea Night is one of the, I mean, honestly, it's a good combination, both of these. I think, honestly, this is a medium fast action rod. Don't get me wrong, it's good for like swim baits and like plastic soft baits and good little crankbaits, good weighted crankbaits. This crankbait may be a little bit too heavy for it. No, I think it's actually perfect for it, honestly, when you think about it. Like, it's one of the best combinations, I think so, right now, so far. All right, time for the big swim bait here. And see what we get. See if we can get anything going, at least on this fishing trip. Like I said, river fishing is a lot more difficult than... Get back over here. Okay, good. Tap. Let's do that again. All right. Got my... Oh my God, can I not do it so well? But Trinity River, I thought no fish could survive, just alligators in here. But to announce being me, I guess there's fish in here. What we're fishing for is pretty much bass, white bass, smallmouth bass, and there's some catfish in here. And there's not trout, sad to say. No trout. But we'll see if we can get bass and a smallmouth bass. As soon as the sun rises up, there's more people coming out, enjoy their Saturday. People sleeping there and morning people. My fiance is not a morning person. She's a night owl. And I'm a morning person. Go figure on that. Whoa. Almost died there. Let's see here. How y'all doing? Y'all catch anything or first? Not yet.
We hit every waterfall so far, nothing.
Yep.
Last week I did good.
Yeah. What were you using last week?
$5.
Crankbait.
Yeah.
That's what I was using earlier. I got some nibbles over there.
I caught a hybrid last week.
Yeah.
But I was fishing the one off of Hewlin.
Oh, okay.
There's a big old waterfall.
Oh yeah, there is.
I was casting right into the fall, and this right here, right when it hit the water,
yeah.
He came up out of water. And I didn't even reel it.
I know.
So we caught, I think, 10 bass last week in a hybrid in the same spot.
Jeez.
Less than an hour.
That's good. Yeah, I got a little.
Today, I don't know what.
I know it was a full moon this morning.
Yeah.
Could be. The old wise tail goes.
That's what, we went carp fishing last night. We didn't get a bite. Carp fishing at Green Creek last night.
Really? Oh, dang.
It could be. It could be a full moon.
Could be.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Hey, there it is.
Hey.
Yes. So, square bill.
Square bill?
God dang square bill. That's big. Hey, my warmouth is bigger than that. Star true.
Yeah, I know. Woo. Got a little short on there. Whoop, 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 whoop. All right, that's good. You barely suckered that. Hey, don't treble hook me, you mother. Smallmouth. Come on, you sucker. Look at there, y'all. First smallmouth bass. Largemouth, actually. No, I think it's a smallmouth. set this bad boy right back in here. Plunk. Off he goes. Yeah. Got the first bass of the day. Probably have to owe Miguel drinks. Let's see what else we can catch. Smallmouth bass, kind of big. They're eating it, but they're grabbing it too late, so I may have to go a little bit slower for them. Oh, backlash. I don't know why, but me and my buddy had both backlashes underneath that bridge. He hit a bush, backlash his brand new rod and reel. I hit the I-beam and hit backlash mine. I was like, this is the pole that doesn't get backlashed. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no. Future Cole here. Phone messed up again. This time I actually got it solved. I deleted, moved some photos around, moved some navigation. So hopefully next time I get a good ending. But other than that, hope you enjoyed the fishing video. My buddy, the goat, caught 4 more fish. 1 by the dam and 2 when we were fishing together. I also broke my favorite rod, spinning rod to be exact, when we were fishing together towards the end. I couldn't get that recorded. Got a hold of a branch and I tried to pull it off, and I was pulling with braid and snapped it. It almost hit me in the eye. Luckily it didn't. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Subscribe, like, comment, share if you like this video. Thank you so much, Wheelers, and like always, keep it real, Wheelers. See you next time.